I had a parent who called my flag instructor, called him, cussing him out, telling him she was gonna come up here, whoop his behind, whoop his A, all this other stuff, F him up, and all this other stuff, whatever. This is not the first time we've had a run-in with her or whatever. He had it.
Okay.
And so she texted him all this other stuff, came up to the school yesterday looking for him.
Really?
Yeah. You know, came up looking for him to fight him and all this other stuff, whatever. All because her daughter not going to be able to go to Texas.
Okay. Okay.
Then,
On August 23, 2022, officers responded to a Georgia high school after parent Kiana confronted band director Mr. Green about her daughter's removal from the program. Under Georgia law, battery against school personnel carries enhanced penalties with special protections. Mr. Green states Kiana approached aggressively, blocking his path at the security gate. He repeatedly directed her to the front office, consistent with school protocols.
So because we've been having a whole issue with her mom the whole time, I'm just like, you know what? You just need to, you don't need to be in the band no more. As long as we got you in the program, we're going to have to be dealing with your mom.
Right.
And I don't want nothing to pop off up here, you know, crazy or whatever. So I told her after school, I said, yo, out of all the stuff that's happened, your services are no longer required in our band program. You can go home. So I'm going to my car to get my clothes out of my car to change. And so I see this car pull in, all irate and everything and stuff or whatever. So I'm about to get in my trunk. Hey, who you? Who you? I'm still getting my stuff out. I ain't answered up. I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Ain't you him? Ain't you Mr. Green? I said, I ain't got to answer you.
Yeah.
So like, just randomly, you know, say, yeah, you him. I'm like, hey.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I am Mr. Green.
Yeah.
I said, I got something to talk. I said, no, you don't have nothing to talk to me about.
Right.
I said, go to the front office. They can talk to you. They can help you, whatever. No, and then she come get in my face. So I'm walking towards the gate right here, and so she get in between me and the gate. I'm like, yo, back up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? First of all, it's not my thing to be hitting no lady. I don't do that. That's not what I do. I'm like, yo, go on somewhere. Just go to the front office. They'll talk to you. They'll handle it, whatever. No, you should have did this. You should have been there. I'm going to Lakeside today. Yeah, where he at? The little sissy and all this other stuff, whatever. Yeah, I'm going to mess him up too. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, I said, Mr. Galen is not here. Yes, he is here. I said, he is not here. You know, go on about your business. So now I'm closer to the gate now, right? Yeah. And so we got a couple of kids that just walked up at the same time that this is popping off. Yeah. And so they trying to get in the gate. They're waiting for me to let them into the gate. I'm like, ma'am, go on about your business, everything. Yeah. So I didn't want to let her into the gate. So I back up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully she'll like go away or whatever. So I'm backing, I'm like, yo. And she, every time I back up, she gets closer to me and closer to me. I'm like, ma'am, you don't want to do this. Stop. Back up. You know what I'm saying? And so we get the gate open or whatever the case may be. I think another kid from inside opened up to let the kids they knew in. So I'm like, okay, well, I can go about my business. So now the two kids come in. She get in front of the gate like this. And I'm like, ma'am, like, move out the way. Go about your business. I said, your daughter's not in my band. She's not going to be in my band. Yeah. And then she goes off even more. Yeah. You know, and I'm like, no, like she's not. I said, okay, let's just go on around then to the front office then. Right. Yeah, come on, let's go to the front office. All right. Then she starts saying some other crazy stuff. Then I just said, you know what? I'm done. Yeah. I'm going to just give you the courtesy to go and do that. I ain't got to do that with you. I said, I'm done. I started going towards my office. You know, I said, where you going? Where you going? Trying to block me the whole time. Trying to block me, getting in my way. I'm like, yo, like, lady, back up. Back up off me, right? So I'm like, okay, get up off me, you know.
According to the teacher, Kiana then spat on him twice. In Georgia, spitting constitutes battery as offensive physical contact. Students intervened to separate them before the teacher could retaliate. Kiana claims Mr. Green struck her in the face and brandished a firearm. If true, this would constitute felony assault under Georgia law. When questioned, Kiana admits getting in his face and challenging him to shoot. She also admits she was trying to retaliate and would tear his ass up. These admissions contradict her victim claim and damage any self-defense argument.
What's the 1014 on 85?
For the school, Bravo Foxtrot, gray shorts, wrong, blackface, parenting band director.
Oh, yeah. Temple, that's what we on now. You can link them. Is she trying to meet?
Yeah, she is trying to meet in front of the school, and then her name's Karen.
Temple. Alright. Continue.
So I'm in the gate now. I'm trying to move. I said I'm done. I'm trying to go to my room now. I ain't got to hear nothing you got to say now.
Yeah.
Then she says, I'm going to your office. I'm going to your office. I'm like, lady, go on about your business. So now all the kids that was inside the gate is seeing what's going on now. And I'm like, please, I'm telling you. So now she, like, you know what I'm saying? She going to buck up like she about to do something, like she about to swing. I'm like, no, I've done everything but, you know what I'm saying, come at you that I could possibly do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And so now we walk further down, and she's still in my face. I'm still trying to walk. She's still in my face. I'm still trying to walk. Now my wife get in between us. My wife come out the room, and she's like, every time the lady try to come up towards me, she got to push the lady back. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, she does something to where she's like trying to swing at me or something like that. And I'm like, no, like, get up off me or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Then she spits on me.
No.
And she did it twice.
Really? Okay.
Dude.
One per charge?
And then, say again?
One per charge?
For sure.
Okay.
For sure.
Alright.
For sure.
And then what happened?
And after that, then all the kids come out. And now the kids are grabbing me to not go on her, to get on her and everything and stuff. So they keep us apart, keep me off of her.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I'm like, I'm done now. I'm at my max now. You know what I'm saying? And so they just separate us, whatever the case may be. And I guess she goes to her car or whatever, while everybody else is pulling me away.
Okay. Alright. And what she look like?
Dark skinned lady, heavy set, big chest. She had like a tank top on, gray and black or something like that, or whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
Dark skinned lady.
Okay.
How you doing? Officer Warren, Officer Barnes. You called us about
On the record statement.
about
Mr. Green, he physically touched me because I ain't touching him and they could run the camera back.
he physically touched you?
He physically touched me.
In regards to what? What do you mean?
Because they've been nitpicking on my daughter for a few years. I can't come to Jones. I've been telling them about this. This is my child. My child should have come home crying. Y'all just don't understand that. My kids should have come home crying because of this was a safe place for the kids. It shouldn't be like that. But I kept him. I asked him, is you Mr. Green? He told me I don't have to answer you. Is you Mr. Green? That's all I want to know. God said, if you Mr. Green, you should come to me and talk to me first before you go talk to my child. That's what y'all should do. Y'all don't go off of this. I've been calling them for months. Like, even the school, like, yeah, I have a problem with the other person. Really not Mr. Green. I have a problem with the person that be coming here helping him.
Okay.
Mr. Gabe, whatever his name is. I don't know his name. So I'm over there, and yes, I was in his face talking to him like this. I was in his face. I ain't gonna lie. I was. But there made no reason for you to put your hands on me.
So what happened when you got in his face? I don't understand. What did he do when he put his hand on you? Did he punch you in your stomach?
No,
Uppercut
it's
you
right
in your
here.
chin?
It's right there. He punched me in my face. See, this eye is different than this eye.
Okay.
Right here.
So
He physically hit me in my face. Yes.
he balled up his fist
And hit me.
and hit you.
Yes. And he first he was showing me like he got a gun in his thing. Why a teacher have a gun on the school property?
He showed you had a gun.
Yes,
in
in
his
that
what?
little I don't know if they put it up, but he has a Louis Vuitton little cross bag thing with a gun in it.
Okay. So why were you in his face exactly?
Because of my daughter. My daughter was just there, and he just told her, oh, she can't be on the team because of me. Because of my attitude. I don't come to y'all meetings. I don't come to the school. Period. I don't come to the meetings or nothing like that. I only come when it's an issue with my child.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And they were supposed to be in had a meeting with whoever Mr. Jackson is in. They were supposed to have a meeting with me, him, and Mr. Jackson. Like, what's the issue? But he ain't gonna meet it. He went over the meeting and wanted to talk to my daughter until she kicked off because of that.
Okay.
So
you came up here for the meeting?
I came for the meeting. My daughter, I came to pick up my daughter. She just left. One of them took her home. Because she didn't want to be in the car with me. But she said it was embarrassing because me and him got into it. So she left with one of the people in here, Miss Dana. She took her home.
Security footage shows Kiana as the aggressor, spitting at Mr. Green. The video reveals no evidence of Mr. Green striking her or brandishing a weapon. Video evidence directly contradicting her account severely undermines her credibility. Officers have probable cause. Intentional offensive contact against a school employee on school property. This carries penalties up to $10,000 and 12 months imprisonment. Despite video evidence, Kiana maintains she did not make physical contact. Under Georgia law, her subjective belief is irrelevant. The standard is objective. Kiana was charged with battery on a school employee.
Okay. So what was your reasoning for coming here?
Come to pick up my child.
Okay.
But I see him, and I was like, "Is you Mr. Green?" And he talking about he wasn't in there yet. He was outside by his car. I say, "Is you Mr. Green?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "That's the same thing." I say, "So you're not gonna talk to me? You're not gonna talk to me before you talk to my child?" That's what I was telling him. No, I said, "You dead ass wrong. You supposed to come to me first."
About what?
My child. She's in the band.
In regards to what?
With the situation with Mr. Galen, how he embarrassed her. The whole situation, it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot.
Okay.
I don't want to explain it, but it's a whole lot.
Yeah.
His issue
Don't
with,
worry about
he embarrassed her because she didn't get her shoes yet. But you don't know, people have issues. You don't know
Something with the band.
Yes.
Okay.
With the
But
band.
it didn't have to do with Mr. Green per se. It had to do with
The first time was yes, it was.
Okay, one of his
But then he only going from what his assistant is. But if you are the director of the band, I'm asking for a meeting. Why won't you come to me for a meeting?
Okay.
I'm asking you to speak to about my daughter issues against your help, your person you help, but you don't want to listen to nobody else but the guy that can help you. No, that's not fair.
Okay.
This ain't when you got my kids. You should be talking to me.
Did you at any point come at Mr. Green in a threatening manner
When
today?
he talking about he got something in his thing, I said I
don't know. I'm asking.
The only time I got into it, what I said, when he told me, "Oh, you better back up if I said, "What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You got a gun on the property?" So I walk up on him. Yes, I did. So you got a gun on the property? Shoot it. I didn't even shoot it. But
what happened?
when the lady come between us,
Yeah.
the lady over there, he swung over her and hit me. And the kids holding my hands back because they're like, "No, just go ahead, Mom, just go ahead."
Okay. And at that point, what happened? Did you do anything? You went back to the car or what?
I
They broke it up?
I rolled back because the principal was over there. So I was talking to the principal over there. That's when I rolled back to the car. I'm talking to the principal out there. And then they came over here because my daughter was still in here. My child was still in here. And I told the principal, "That's dead ass wrong. Why y'all never called me?" My situation. I've been trying to talk to you for the longest. Since the first day of school, I came and tried to talk to the principal. I said, "You haven't come back yet. This situation wouldn't be going on if y'all just call and talk and have meetings like you're supposed to."
At any point in time, did you retaliate toward Mr. Green?
I was trying to. I was trying to get him because yes, I was gonna tear his ass up. But the kids told me. I was trying to. I ain't gonna lie to you.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Karen.
All right. Do you have your ID on this?
Yeah, but I know my driver's license by heart.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna get you a statement.
Y'all want to take a picture?
You gonna stand-
Because
you
even
gonna
the lady
stand
in
by?
here, she said she see.
You gonna stand by while she writes that statement? All right.
Because even the lady in
Let me
here,
go.
she told me to get her up. She said, "Take pictures of my face, not me."
She can either write it in there. Or
I can write it right here on the wall.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah. No, it's a table. And I'll be back. You about to take off?
Shake it.
You about to take off?
What's going on?
When who?
Come on.
Oh, I don't know. She's talking to us now. I don't care what she want to talk about with y'all, but she might be going to take a place. Well, anybody able to review the video?
Yeah, we got it right there. We can pull it up. Come on, man.
Yeah. And you want to trespass too, right?
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay.
Oh, look, it'll be the other way tomorrow. It's on my left. It's on my desktop. Well, I recorded on my phone, so we can see.
Okay. Anybody see the altercation?
Miss Mills.
Workshop 4797.
Miss Green.
Yeah, I talked to Miss Green.
What Miss Green said?
She said pretty much the same thing. I guess she came on the back end of it or whatever.
So that's somebody else talking to Green. Well, Mr. Green.
Okay. Does he hit her at any time?
I know she spit on him, so I don't.
Yeah.
So I don't know when she do that. It's like he try to block. It's coming. See? So
Oh yeah.
what was that?
Yeah, she attacked him. Okay.
Sure, you got the other camera from the very beginning?
No, I didn't get that one.
Oh, she came up to him
The whole time was
while
aggressive.
he was walking to the bedroom. She literally got in front of him, was blocking him.
Yeah.
Every time he kept stepping back because she kept coming at him.
Yeah.
He kept stepping back. He tried to go around her. She went and blocked him. The kids opened the door to the gate. She went and stood in the door with her hands up so he could not get through.
Man. Okay. All right. Well,
But she was clearly aggressive.
Yeah, she
Oh
was-
yeah,
Yeah, I
definitely. No, definitely. She ain't really had no business up here, to be honest with you. Yeah, picking up your child don't take all that. I don't care what she's talking about. Let me see if I can. And Mr. Green and Miss Green made it seem like it wasn't even that big of a deal, but she straight up just attacked him. Kicking and everything. And the kids come out. But he ain't have no radio or nothing.
Yeah, that's when you get a little fuzzy, so they.
Yeah, I can't really see who. I see him with the white
Yeah,
pants,
yeah,
but
but y'all really
yeah,
see what's
right,
happening.
right. After that, okay.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, ma'am.
What I'm going to jail for? Can I call somebody?
We'll give you a chance to go. I hear you.
Okay, well, can I please? I know, but can I?
Okay, let us.
I didn't touch nobody.
Let us do this first. Okay. And we'll talk about what you can and can't do before we get there, okay?
Sir, I didn't touch nobody.
Okay. All right.
Did you even look at the camera good?
Ma'am, I'm telling you I looked at the camera.
Yeah, but I didn't hit him. I tried to spit back on him after he hit me.
That's not what I seen on the camera.
I swear to God, I did not hit that man. I did not even get a chance to touch him. He hit me first.
Okay. What the camera's showing a whole lot different.
So the camera didn't show that he hit me? The camera didn't show that man hit me? I swear to God, sir, it was right in front of the back building over there.
I know.
I did not hit that man hit me. I swear to God, he hit my face.
I see your face, but what I'm saying is that happened as y'all was scuffling over there by that building.
Yeah, but please, can I call somebody to get my car?
Yeah. This your car key?
Yes, and that's my
I'm gonna put your umbrella in your car key.
Please, can I have somebody right across the street to come get my car, please?
Yeah, we're gonna call somebody. We're gonna do all that.
Sir, how in the world I'm going to jail? He ain't not going to jail. Yes, sir. But of course, yeah, but I never touched him.
We're gonna walk over here to the car, okay?
Oh my God. Yeah, but I'm telling you, that's why I did not touch that man.
Okay.
Please don't put me in front of the gun. It's embarrassing for my daughter. Please, please.
She's not even here.
No. Just
You
drive
said
it over here.
yourself she's not here.
Yeah, she's not here, but she stays embarrassing because the people keep.
Right now, you wanna drive your car over here?
Please bring your car over
You
here.
wanna bring your car over here?
Please. Well, can you call my daughter then? You're gonna say my oldest daughter.
I put her in any penny email 45.
Tell her I'm going to jail.
What you need her to do?
But she has to know I'm going to jail. I have another little girl, so she needs to know I'm going to jail.
My oldest baby girl?
Yeah.
No, I think she.
Fed, I'm going to jail. The police right here. That's why I'm letting you know.
They where?
The police is right here with me. I did not touch me, but they said the camera said I touched him, but I did not touch that man. But
At the school?
yes, that's why I want you to
Why
stay
you still
here.
at the school?
Because if not I left, they would have came and got me anyway saying this.
That's so embarrassing.
That's why I didn't want him to put me in jail handcuffs in front of them. That's why I told them.
There's no other kids out here.
Yeah, the band kids was just there. The fag. They see me in handcuffs. Faith, just tell Destiny, please. Yeah, I'm going to jail, so I don't know who to call. Call Richie.
Yeah.
Why did you?
I know, Faith, but they taking me to jail for I really didn't touch that man.
Where your keys?
Where's my key? He got his Central. Central is going to get my car. Go to Central House to get my car, or call Central to get the car. You hear me?
Okay.
I should be home later on. Am I gonna have a bond?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know?
It'll be a bond. I'll let you know what it is. I'll look it up.
Okay.
Just have a seat for us, okay?
Yeah, but can you call that other guy, please?
We will. If he's gonna call back and we'll talk to him.
Mr. Green receives a B+ for demonstrating restraint and attempting to de-escalate. However, engaging in an unsupervised parking lot was unwise tactical judgment. Kiana receives a D for criminal conduct, confirmed by video, witnesses, and her own admissions. Confronting a teacher, blocking his path, and spitting on him is never acceptable. Proper channels include meetings with administrators or formal grievances with the school board. The school administration receives a C+ for failing to intervene proactively. Despite this being a known, ongoing conflict between parent and teacher, this incident illustrates the importance of following proper legal channels for grievances. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more content.